Welcome to Investor Web, the channel that brings financial wisdom and personal growth into your living room. Here at Investor Web, we believe that personal growth and financial success go hand in hand. That's why we aim to deliver content that not only educates you about the world of finance, but also guides you on the journey of self-improvement. Our mission is simple. We want to empower you with the knowledge and tools to take charge of your financial future, while fostering a mindset that promotes growth and self-reflection. From understanding the stock market to honing your emotional intelligence, we cover a wide spectrum of topics that cater to your holistic development. You can expect a blend of insightful discussions, expert advice, and practical tips that will inspire you to strive for financial independence and personal betterment. So, buckle up for an enriching journey with us. Today, we will be exploring a critical aspect of personal growth that often goes unnoticed: self-awareness. Or you might be asking, what is self-awareness really? Well, let's delve into that. Self-awareness is essentially the conscious knowledge of one's own character, feelings, motives, and desires. It's like being the director of your own life's movie, understanding your role and recognizing how your actions and emotions shape the plot. Imagine you're at a party. You're engaging in a lively conversation when suddenly you notice you're speaking louder than everyone else. That moment when you realize your volume and adjust it, that's self-awareness in action. It's about being cognizant of your behavior and its impact on your environment. Now, let's not confuse self-awareness with self-consciousness. While they might seem similar, they're quite different. Self-awareness is a constructive process. It's about understanding and managing your emotions, recognizing your strengths and weaknesses, and using this knowledge to navigate through life effectively. On the other hand, self-consciousness is more about being overly aware and critical of oneself, often leading to negative feelings and self-doubt. It's like being at the same party, but instead of adjusting your volume, you're constantly worrying about what others think of you. See the difference? Consider self-awareness as being in tune with the inner workings of your mind. It's like being a mechanic of your own thoughts and emotions. You're not just driving the car. You're understanding how it works, what makes it run smoothly, and what could potentially cause a breakdown. Self-awareness is also about understanding your motives and desires. It's asking yourself, why am I doing what I'm doing? And what do I truly want? It's about aligning your actions with your inner values and aspirations, ensuring that you're not just going through the motions, but consciously steering your life in the direction you want it to go. So self-awareness is the conscious knowledge of one's own character, feelings, motives, and desires. Now, why is it important? Well, hold on to that question. We'll explore it in the next scene. Self-awareness isn't just a fancy term thrown around in psychology circles. It has real-world implications. Imagine yourself as a ship sailing on the vast ocean of life. Self-awareness serves as your compass, guiding you through stormy seas and calm waters alike. It is through this lens of self-understanding that we can truly begin to navigate our journey with confidence and clarity. Let's delve a little deeper into the importance of self-awareness in various aspects of our lives. Firstly, personal growth. A heightened sense of self-awareness allows us to understand our strengths, weaknesses, and the areas we need to improve. It is the foundation of emotional intelligence and the stepping stone to becoming the best version of ourselves. Next, decision-making. Every day we make countless decisions, big and small. Self-awareness helps us make better choices by understanding our patterns of thinking and behavior. It illuminates our biases and aids us in making decisions that align with our values and beliefs, leading us closer to our goals. In relationships, self-awareness plays a crucial role. It helps us understand our emotional responses and how we interact with others. It allows us to communicate more effectively, empathize with others, and build stronger, more fulfilling relationships. Turning now to career development. Here, self-awareness is a powerful tool. It helps us identify where our passions and talents align, guiding us towards a career that not only satisfies us, but also brings out our best. It allows us to recognize areas for improvement, seek feedback, and take steps towards professional growth. In essence, self-awareness is like turning on the lights in a dark room. It allows us to see ourselves clearly, to understand our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. It helps us recognize our patterns, to learn from our past, and to make conscious decisions about our future. Without self-awareness, it's like we're walking in the dark, unaware of the obstacles in our path. It's time to switch on the light and take control of our journey. Let's become the captains of our ships, with self-awareness as our guiding compass. The next question is, how does one improve self-awareness? Fortunately, this isn't something that's set in stone. It's a skill that can be honed and developed with consistent practice. Let's delve into some practical steps and exercises that can guide you on this journey. Firstly, consider journaling. It's a simple yet effective tool for self-discovery. By writing down your thoughts, feelings and reactions, you can gain a better understanding of your internal world. You might start to notice patterns or triggers that you weren't aware of before. It also allows you to reflect on your day, your interactions, your successes, and your areas for improvement. Next, let's talk about meditation. It's not just about relaxation, it's about gaining insight into your mind. By focusing on your breath or a mantra, you can quiet the chatter of your mind and tap into a deeper level of consciousness. You might find that you're more aware of your thoughts and emotions, and you can start to observe them without judgment. Another powerful technique is seeking feedback from others. It might be a little uncomfortable at first, but it's an invaluable source of information about how you come across to others. You can ask your friends, family, or colleagues for their honest feedback. Remember, the goal is not to defend yourself or argue, but to listen and learn. Try to incorporate these practices into your daily routine, and over time, you'll notice a heightened sense of self-awareness. You'll understand your strengths and weaknesses better, you'll be more in tune with your emotions, and you'll be better equipped to navigate your relationships and your life as a whole. It's also important to note that self-awareness isn't something you achieve overnight. It's a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and a genuine willingness to look within. It might be challenging at times, but it's a journey well worth embarking on. Remember, self-awareness is a journey, not a destination. So take your time, be patient with yourself, and embrace the journey of self-discovery. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned about self-awareness. We started by defining self-awareness as the conscious knowledge of one's own character, feelings, motives, and desires. It's that inner understanding that allows us to see ourselves clearly, to understand not only what we are doing, but why we are doing it. We then moved on to discuss the importance of self-awareness. It's not just about introspection for its own sake. It's about understanding our strengths and weaknesses, our drives and personalities, our habits and values, so we can make conscious decisions and take purposeful actions. We've seen how self-awareness is a key ingredient in effective leadership, personal growth, and meaningful relationships. It's the foundation upon which we build empathy, emotional intelligence, and authenticity. We also explored how to improve self-awareness. We talked about the role of reflection and introspection, about seeking feedback from others, about mindfulness and meditation. We delved into the power of journaling as a tool for self-discovery, and we discussed the importance of being honest with ourselves, of facing our fears and confronting our biases. It's worth noting that self-awareness isn't a destination, but a journey. It's a constant process of self-discovery and self-improvement. It's about being open to learning and growth, about being willing to admit our mistakes and learn from them. It's about recognizing that we are not fixed entities, but evolving beings, capable of change and growth. In conclusion, self-awareness is a vital skill, a cornerstone of personal and professional success. It's the key to understanding ourselves and others, to making wise decisions and taking effective actions. It's the pathway to personal growth and self-improvement, to leadership and success. Thank you for joining us on this journey into self-awareness. Don't forget to subscribe to InvestorWeb for more insightful content. Until next time, keep growing and investing in yourself. Before we part ways, here's something to ponder. Reflect on your own level of self-awareness. How often do you take a moment to understand your thoughts, emotions, and actions? It's not a one-time exercise, but rather a continuous journey of self-discovery and growth. Start by practicing mindfulness, tune into your feelings, and understand your reactions to various situations. Try journaling your thoughts and emotions. It's a great way to gain insights into your patterns. Apply the exercises we've discussed in this video, little by little, day by day. Self-awareness is not only about understanding yourself, it's about understanding how you are perceived by others as well. Seek feedback. Be open to it. This journey may be challenging, but it's worth every step. Remember, the journey of self-awareness begins with a single step. We at InvestorWeb are here to guide you along the way. Till our next video, stay aware, stay motivated.